Conquering Crypto Monday evening. We'll just do the two videos today unless some kind of craziness happens tonight. Let me share my mic streamy. We're gonna go over, some of the usuals. I want to talk about some stuff that happened today. I also want to get into just some coin. I want to get into some new stuff, just because we haven't been talking about new stuff. There's nothing wrong with talking about SHIB and all that stuff constantly, but I want to go over the stock stuff as well that we didn't get to do today. So things like Tesla, Fun, and was it DWCA, something like that. Let's check out our stocks actually first, since earlier we did not get to go through it. And yeah, so earlier we didn't get to go through it, so let's go through it now. We've got some stuff we've been checking on. One of the things, so I had a member this afternoon, and apparently he did so well, he decided to write a little thing about Conquering Crypto, and he thanked me, and that was really cool. I was not expecting that. So, yeah, anyway, let's see what we got. Man, look at this. Actually, let's see if we can find Tesla. So I don't think we can. Let's do. You know what? I guess I'm not going to have a choice. That's okay. I wanted to look at it totally fresh, but still keep my markings, but that's okay. So it was a huge jump, by the way. Tesla started around the 900 area. It did break 900. So 900, it got passed. It got broken. Let's go into it. It broke. So remember, this is just, some of this stuff is just piercing. Piercing is not breaking. So it officially broke it on the 22nd. So that was last week, 22nd, Friday, and officially broke it. That's right, and it just held. So if you look at this massive gap, this is from Friday till today. Look at that. I'm pretty sure this would probably be the open point. Or actually, it might be up here, and the candle dipped, went up. So maybe somewhere's around the 950. I'm sure we could find it out officially if we wanted to. But how cool is that to watch this gap and then a continued uptrend? Tesla is actually absolutely burning it up. Mr. Matthew Levin, well, you're great and this is changing lives. Keep up the good work. Thanks, man. I really appreciate that. Hopefully we can spread the news and people start to enjoy this chart stuff a lot more. But I really appreciate that. We're yeah, doing the best I can. I keep getting all this positive feedback, and I'm just going to keep throwing it back at you guys. And if you're in the group, it's really nice to share everything together so we can catch each other's profits or, talk about some new important thing that we want to get involved in. That's what's important. Forming this family, okay? Conquering Crypto has become my trading family, and I'm really glad to have you guys. Tesla, boom, there you go. So another one was this is the one that the Trump thing, Trump social media. So apparently Digital World Acquisition Corp, DWAC. I guess it has something to do with Trump's super PAC partnership. That's what this is. That's why it got so much attention. But this was last week, so here we go. This is what happened. Then it jumped a nice amount too. Then I guess the weekend happened. Boom, it jumped up here. This is when I got involved, by the way. And I should have cashed out up here, but I didn't. That's okay. So what happened was this guy jumped up here, then back down, and now it just looks like it's not doing a lot. Okay, so the other thing tied on to this is Fun. PHUN, and they are... Do I not have it? They are apparently some system that's also involved. I guess this is it. Thought I had it. Yeah, so this is it. Funware Inc. I thought I had it added. There we go. Again, we saw them start to do real good. This would have been from the 21st, the 22nd they got up, and this was the weekend right here. And this is where we are now. It's, you know, to me it seems like nothing crazy. There's a lot more stock stuff that's been going on. I used to do a lot more stock stuff. Now I do kind of minimal, so everything I hear comes from secondhand for the most part. So yeah, there's not a lot of stock stuff for me to go over. What you can do is you can join us here live or come to the channel and we can go over that stuff then. By the way, I know we're 6 minutes in. I am your host, Danny DeMarco. We do have a Facebook group, Conquering Crypto, Twitter, DeMarco_Danny, Trading View, Conquering Crypto, and yeah, that's probably good enough. That's probably good enough. And I probably just mentioned this, but I'll mention again. I've got a Venmo. I definitely mentioned it earlier. I've got a Venmo under Conquering Crypto. And if you would like to tip for all the hot information that I'm giving you, that would be cool. Be totally down with that. Let's check out some stuff. So here we go. Tesla Fund, DWCA. Let's go. The VRAR. So I talked about this earlier, actually. Okay, the VRAR. Okay, so my VRAR, I showed everybody that this is where we're on the uptrend. Okay, currently. We're on a big uptrend and we're on a small uptrend. So this could actually be considered secondary. If we back out, let's back out a little bit further. So again, this is the current uptrend. It's still definitely part of this wedge. Reverse head and shoulders. I don't know if you remember that, but we saw that. At this point, it doesn't mean a whole lot. Actually, it still could, but for right now, whatever. No big deal. So I did say that it wasn't an official breakout, and it's not. All we're doing is moving the goalposts. So you know what? That's what we're going to do here as well. So I'm still involved with this right now. I bought some. And I decided just to hold on to it because I really like just the uptrend. And it's called Veracity, and that's USDT, I believe. Yes, Tether on KuCoin. You can jump into it as well. Let us go over SHIB. Everybody wants their SHIB, 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 SHIB. If SHIB has been taking good care of you, take good care of it. I don't know what that means. Go ahead and check it out and get your trading on. So let's see where we are right now. I really don't want to delete these lines, but you know what? It's getting to the point where we're just so crowded. Look at this. Man. I'll get rid of you. I guess you can go down here. Look at all of this is information from previous days, and as some of my members know, there's an awful lot of charting to come into price prediction. Oh, look at this. Very good. So I'm predicting, this is an actual prediction, I do them often. I'm predicting that we are in a new consolidation tunnel of love is what I called it previously. The tunnel of love is this long blue rectangle shape that I consider the highway of consolidation. Right here is where we broke out of it. That happened last week, not too long ago actually. But now we have moved into new territory. We had flagpole, flag, flagpole, flag, uptrend. Then things got interesting. So I saw this fall, and from the fall, we actually formed a small downtrend. Now, this wouldn't be a whole day. This is probably so that's like a 7-hour fall. But for that to happen with SHIB, that's only happened 1 or 2 other times where it's been a consistent down trend for that long. That's how insanely powerful SHIB has been. That's it. That's that amount of time. Okay, that amount of time that 7 to 8 hours going downtrend, man, almost all the other time has been in consolidation or uptrends. Yeah. One more time. Let's even look. You know what? I'm gonna prove to you what I'm talking about. This is the only other time here, and this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're gonna say 6 hours. So I am kind of right. The only other time that SHIB has fallen, and I mean fallen for it to be, you know, substantial, right here, and that was October 7th, and that's when we went into the consolidation tunnel. We jumped around in here, and like I said, it's been in consolidation and uptrends. Consolidation, uptrend. Consolidation, uptrend. Repeat, repeat, repeat. Yo, Denny. What's up, buddy? How are you, man? Got some new members. Everybody's doing great. I'm really proud of my trading group. Got some awesome guys, and everybody that's involved in Conquering Crypto. I'm so proud of you guys. Yeah, doing really well. Proud of you guys, man. So many different people are learning so many different things. I had a member that did really well in Tesla today, and he told me about it, and you know, just really happy about it, really excited. And Denny's one of those guys. I've got a whole bunch of guys, actually, old, new, but everybody is super badass. I gotta be honest, I love all of them. Denny, I don't know if you saw, because I know you're a SHIB guy as well. Oh, Saitama! We'll get to Saitama, I promise, we'll get to Saitama. We'll do Saitama next, just for you. You know, okay, I'm gonna yell at you right now. Okay, I'm gonna throw in a 1K. I'm gonna yell at you. I did Saitama earlier today. I don't know if you saw the video, but look, that's why we record this stuff. So we are going to do Saitama again tonight. Let's work on this now. And you know what? I appreciate you. I really do, and I mean that with all of my charting powers. I mean that. I know that you guys are grateful, and I just want to keep giving you stuff that will help you in the end. Let's okay, let's go over Saitama. No, I know Saitama is doing very good. No, I understand, man. I'm gonna make fun of you. I'm gonna bust your balls, and I don't care that you're working, because the idea is gonna be that we're gonna get you so powerful with crypto that you can work less and work more on this. And I'm not saying that's a promise or a guarantee. What I'm saying is if you put the aspects that you want into it, just like me, I decided I'm done with all this day-to-day crap. I'm going to figure this out, and I am very successful, and I'm very proud of myself, my family, and my group. And you can be the same way. I understand work, and you know what? Good. Everybody should be working. But the point is let's make you more successful in this as well. Okay, enough of my nonsense. Let's get back into SHIB. SHIB is in this consolidation area, so I'm calling it right now. Okay, this is live. I'm calling it. This is going to be... This is going to be the lovely area that we can consider price to bounce around. I don't like red for that. Get out of here. Let's do green. That's cool. You know what's even better for consolidation? Good old blue. Okay, so this is going to be our consolidation area. Denny takes some notes that we have not passed this 444 zone. 4444444. That I think the highest SHIB has gotten is the 4459. So just like I tell everybody else in the group, you included, let's make sure we watch the ceiling for that. Once we get up to these areas, and I know some of my members already understand this, but once we get up into these, we'll call them, what do I call them usually? Areas to watch. That's my circle. This is just another area to watch. Okay. We will fill this in a little bit more. So we're going to watch price bounce around more. But once it gets up into those areas, we can actually see what might happen. In other words, if it hits the ceiling, you can place a short. If it drops all the way back down and bounces off of this 3570 area, we can place another long. So that's what we've been doing this whole time. We did it yesterday. We made some money. Great. Everybody's happy. You need an entry on Saitama. Well, buddy, guess what? You came to the right place, because I know a guy that does this charting stuff, and he gives half decent info, bro. Okay, let's have some fun. So you need an entry. Oh, well, do you want me to be honest? All right. You need an entry. You need an entry. You need an entry. Here's the deal. So charting only gives you so much info, right? So if I don't personally see the info, if I can't say I would put myself into this certain spot for reason XYZ, I'm going to bring this up real quick because we went over this the other day and I kind of can't get enough of showing you. Of course, did I lose it? Did I get rid of it? Something I wanted to show. I've already shown. Okay, this right here. I've shown this several times if you haven't seen it. Well, you're not screwed, but there are other areas that where you can get in at. So don't worry about being screwed. You're never screwed. You can always find something else. I have placed this up time and time again. Live this. Learn this. This, if you want to be a scalper doing this kind of stuff, this is the kind of thing that if you don't fully agree with the bear or bull tracking, if you are in this consolidation, don't trade. That's it. People come to me all the time. I need to know where to get in, where to buy, where to sell. Then sometimes I'll look at the chart and there's nowhere to buy in sight and they still want to grasp on something. They still want something to do or trade. My advice, go to another stock, go to another coin. Go to something else. It's not the time to trade that chart. Okay? Now, when it comes to, we're going to get rid of that. Remember that chart. It's very important. We're going to come to Saitama. Saitama is a DEX, for you guys that don't know. It was actually shown to me by one of our members, Denny, who's in with me right now, and we're talking through the comments. You're honestly just going to buy when the gas price allows. Well, hey, man. Look, to be honest, that's on you. That's fine. There's nothing wrong with that. Because, now why is that okay? Because we are still in an uptrend. So, let's say you decided to buy now. Okay, you see my, actually at the top, I've got my topsy-turvy line, right? Okay, I mentioned that, you know what? I'm just going to say it again. I did this last video. So, this is an uptrend. This is a tail from the uptrend and we are now in a tunnel, right? But I want you to see this. Do you see how there's only 1 point up top? See this 1 point? Okay. So now, excluding the tunnel, and let's say we didn't have the tail, it's got nowhere to go, right? So it could be either or. So that means we don't chart it at all, okay? We leave it, we remove it. We can keep our tail line, but this can actually be secondary, by the way. We consider this to just be a normal uptrend, meaning that price could fall right now. Okay, let's say price falls. Okay, let's say price teeters, 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 and just falls. What you want is you want it to bounce back off of this uptrend. So that's fine so long as it makes its way somehow back up. The idea is that if you buy right now, within a few days or whatever, you'll be back up. So that is the difference between, by the way, day trading, scalping, swing trading. That would be considered more of a day trading, swing trading play. You understand? These are the differences. Scalping happens minutes to hours. Day trading happens that same day, that same week. Swing trading happens within weeks or months. And investing means that you are holding for the long haul. You're not touching that bad boy for months and months, even years, okay? So that's the difference. This right here on Saitama, you could absolutely buy right now, okay? And all that would mean is that you should be holding on to it. You understand? So if you're going to buy this stuff right now, from me to you, just hold it for a while, because we don't know what's going to happen in the near future. And I think you already know that. You do plan on holding this coin, so you're not worried about the short-term price. That's the correct answer, sir. That's how we rock and roll. Very good. Good stuff. Let's see. Can I? Oh my God. Conquering. Come on. I can do this. Crypto rules. Oh, look, I've had a couple drinks tonight. I'm feeling great. I don't care. I'm enjoying myself. You like my smiley face? All right, let's move on. We're already 20 minutes in. 20 minutes. 20 minutes in, and I've been over, oh man, like nothing. This, Saitama. I'm just glad we got Saitama. Okay, let's continue. Well, let's go over BTC. Okay, we're 20 minutes in. I don't even care. If this is a 45-minute video, that's your problem. You can watch the whole thing, and not you, but that's anybody else watching. Just watch the whole thing, man. Jump around from coin to coin. I don't even know if I'm caring that much if they're long videos. You can just bounce around inside the video. At least there's a lot of information. I just know it's like too much, I think, on some people. Anyway, I called this reversal break. I actually posted this on TradingView. If you go to my TradingView, you can see me post this. And you know what? You know what, boys and girls? Boils and ghouls? I'm going to show it off. Here it is. Okay, so I drew up the actual arch pattern actually days before that. But after that, this is the arch pattern, by the way. We can see it. This is my post on TradingView. Follow me. I have some pretty good stuff. What's Danny saying? Don't worry about the length of the video, brother. Okay, I'm not. Okay, I'm gonna stop talking about it because it just must bother me. I guess maybe it doesn't bother other people. So I'm just gonna stop talking about it. Okay, so I saw this reversal break. How did I see the reversal break? See this wedge? Okay, it's like this. Actually, if I point up this way, it would actually, this would be the projection. You see that? How good am I doing this? Yeah, there we go. See the projection there? All right, so this projection area also showed me that we were picking up some support on the 6,000 line. We started to. It could have gone north or south from there, but it started to pick up. I drew this beautiful little arch pattern, which could also be cup and handle. That's another type of pattern. You guys got to learn about that at some point. We'll go over patterns one day, all kinds of patterns. We'll do that one day. But I saw this reversal break. I posted it, and boom. I got a couple likes there, here, there, and the other. I'm very proud of it. So that's BTC. We're going to continue right along. Let's go over Ethereum. No, you know what? Let's go over Link first. Link is something I've been wanting to go back over. All right, well, Link looks pretty cool. So those of you who have Link, it's been on several, so this will be the long uptrend. Okay, so it's been on a regular macro uptrend, and if you'll look, it has also been on a micro uptrend. This is really good. The price is looking good. I hope Link continues, and it should. There we go. That's Link. Let's go over Ethereum real quick. Ethereum, you'll have to give me a second because I've got so much stuff going on. Wait. Yeah, so Link is still doing well, man. This is how you know, though. You don't need to sell it. Well, okay, let me give an example. You didn't know beforehand, right? But you know now. You have new information. So Denny said that he sold his Link, and I'm just telling the room that if he just got this new information, oh, it's still on an uptrend. Oh, maybe I should hold it. Maybe he wouldn't have to sell it. Now, who cares that he did? Hopefully, he made some money. The idea is you don't have to. When you have this information, you can hold on and see what changes down the road. But let's go back to Ethereum. Let's go back to oh no! I'm telling you guys, this is seriously. I've been saying this a lot. This upcoming area is a big area to watch for Ethereum. This is going to be, because I think we're in new all-time high territory. Yes. So, we've already hit 4378 is what my chart says. It could differentiate from the actual all-time high of Ethereum. But we're going back up to that level. And I showed everybody that this little slice of the pie right here, you see this pie slice? I think some big stuff is going to happen there, okay? Some really big stuff. I think we are in for a treat when we get to that area. Hopefully, it just continues up. That's what I see. and I think it will. I think it will. Sorry about that. My mining rig gets my room really hot when I shut my doors, so not good air conditioning system in this room. Anyway, sorry. Thanks for holding on. DCR. Now DCR is something else I was looking at earlier. Oh, and look, guys. So DCR Decred. This is on Binance. I'm sure you can find this on some other spots, but you guys should definitely at least just look into it. We are in that area to watch. Look at this. We're winding. Okay, so actually I'm going to move this around. We are winding inside of the point of the triangle. And what does that mean, boys and girls? What does that mean? Because I'm sure you know. I mean, we talk about it all this time. That is an area to watch, and we could see major price action. Okay, that's DCR Decred. Great. DAG was something new. This is one of my buddies, Brett, another Conquering Crypto member. DAG. This is something we talked about earlier. Did I not save it? DAG, yo. There it is. Okay, so it is added now. Let's find it again. All right, so we looked at this earlier. It's called DAG, D-A-G. The pairing with this one is on KuCoin with Tether. And basically, we are in this nice tunnel. The tunnel is just going for an uptrend. And we've got several. This is a secondary line because the wicks are not 100% correct. Okay, so this is a wick. If we get closer, candles are very important for those. See this long tail of a wick and then a full body. So price jumped here for some reason, but it didn't hold. And we should hold that accountable when it comes to charting. Let's remember that. We should just at least identify that it was something that happened, because sometimes that's where the attention goes. As odd as it is, if we draw the lines and we can use that as a point of reference, then maybe somewhere in the future, maybe if this jumps all the way up here, if this does something like this, maybe somewhere in the future when this gets up here, when price gets up here, this might turn into an area that we bounce off of. Just something like that. Okay, just there you go. That's it. Real simple. We kept the trend going. It's a secondary, but something that simple for when price gets up to that range and it starts to bounce and follow it. Now you know you found your line. That's what we're looking for all the time. We're looking for these little idiosyncrasies in the market, and we find them based on what we know about patterns. That's what we're doing. DAG is done. Saitama is done. I wanted to go over something Matic we're going to go over, and then Denny, my man. We had a few people in here tonight. If you have any questions, just ask me, but we're going to call it. That's a half an hour, and I'm actually doing some serious trading later, which I haven't tried live yet. I don't know how I feel about it. But Matic we went over, check it out. So this is my prediction line right here. I think it'll hit 2 by the end of November. And I just wanted to show that because if you are a Conquering Crypto member, you also get access to my prediction list. And if I have to be honest, I've gotten a lot of things right over the months and months that I've had it. And I will let you just see a sneak peek of it. This is my prediction list. If you're a Conquering Crypto member, you're allowed to see this list. And everything that is green is stuff that I already hit. What's funny is that I do believe that there's probably a whole bunch of other things in here that my alarms didn't go off for. Usually I've got an alarm system, right? And before I left on vacation a couple weeks ago, I found out that my alarms, a lot of them weren't going off, and I found out there was all kinds of issues. So anyway, I would come back to it, and I would find that I missed all kinds of predictions that I actually already hit. So I'm going to go through that probably later tonight. Anyway, my name is DeMarco. I was your host. Conquering Crypto, Monday afternoon, Monday evening, 7 o'clock. It's probably my last video. for Monday. We'll do some more this week, maybe tomorrow. But thank you for coming out tonight, Denny, and whomever else jumped into the channel. We did some charting. We got a lot done. VRAW, SHIB, BTC, Ethereum, Link, DCR, DAG, Saitama, Tesla, Fun, DWAC, Matic. We got over a lot tonight. Venmo, Conquering Crypto. If you want to tip me, please hook me up. Twitter, DeMarco_Danny, TradingView, Conquering Crypto, and of course the all-important one, Conquering Crypto on Facebook. Come and be a member, and we will hook you up, man. We had a member that wrote me today, and it was really cool of him. He said that it's life-changing for him now, and I actually firmly believe that. Just from all, I'm not gonna give away any details, but he filled me in about some stuff, and then he told me how things have changed, and it made my day. It's so cool to hear stuff like that, and especially doing something that I love. That's it for now, guys. Hope you enjoyed, and fill your bags up, profit, and come see us at Conquering Crypto. Have a good one, guys.